Hi, everyone, and thank you for joining us today on ClueCon Weekly. So today I'm going to jump into some announcements, then we're going to play the blog spot for the day, and then we're going to chat with Michael Zou from Yealink. So my first announcement is if you are going to ClueCon, don't forget to show up for the Coder Games on Monday, August 5th. It's the first day of ClueCon, and it's our very own special version of a hackathon. It's a lot of fun. We have a lot of different challenges ranging from pretty silly to really serious coding. So there's something for everybody and something for whatever mood you're in that day. And it's a great way to meet people before the conference officially starts. So that way you don't have to worry about all that networking stuff and you can just have fun and be part of the ClueCon family. If you haven't registered for ClueCon yet, it is not too late and you can still save $400 when you use the code SUMMERCODIN when you register at ClueCon.com. So that's SUMMERCODIN, not summer coding, summer codin. And the code is right on the website as well in case you forget it. And then we have all new networking events this year. Weave is hosting a new event at Land and Sea. We're going to be playing a lot of different games like bocce ball and giant Jenga and a bunch of other games I don't want to spoil. I think there's pool, a lot more. It's going to be a lot of fun. We also have the Voice Tell boat tour like we have the last couple years, and that is always a lot of fun. So make sure you stay the whole week of ClueCon so you don't miss that. It's beautiful. We're on the lake. We're on Lake Michigan overlooking the beautiful Chicago skyline, so you definitely do not want to miss that. Well, that is all the announcements I have for today. So before we talk to Michael, we're going to go into our blog spot.
Hi, I'm Brian West, co-founder of the FreeSwitch project, and I'm here to answer a question from the list this week from Dennis. He says, "Hi, I just bought an AMD module from FreeSwitch. In the email, the activation code I received in the URL to download the G729 codec and not the AMD module. So let me answer that one. We do package all of our commercial modules into the G729 installer. So when you purchase an AMD license or a Watson license or any license for any module that we advertise on our website, those will be in that G729 installer. And that's why all the emails go out for that. But the activation code is for the product you purchased. And if you have any questions or concerns or issues with your purchase, you can always email support@signalwire.com. And we'll be happy to assist you with any problems or questions. And thank you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to ClueCon Weekly. Today, we are so glad to invite Yealink Michael to make a presentation for us. Michael, could you tell us about yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hello, everybody. I'm Michael Zou from Yealink Technical Support Team, and I joined Yealink in 2012. And my main responsible is for providing support for the channel market for Yealink in US and Canada, and providing product solutions for a lot of big projects. I am very clear with Yealink products and total solutions.
So, what are you gonna share us today?
Okay, about today's topic is Yealink new T5W business form. As you know, in order to meet the changes and the demands in the marketplace, Yealink has designed and developed its new T5W business phone series, the most advanced IP desktop phone in the industry, leading the way in new personalized collaboration. The Yealink T5 Business Phone series provides the best possible of personalized collaboration experience for business of all sizes.
So, during that time, what problems have you run into?
Okay, actually, we often get a lot of new requirements from our customers like LCD size, audio quality improvement, easier deployment way through Wi-Fi, and so on.
So we are curious about how did you solve those problems?
Yes, actually, we discuss with customers about the requirement, make it clear, and then we discuss with our R&D to evaluate the requirement, and finally, we release the new T5 business phone series.
Okay, let's step into today's presentation.
Okay, thank you. So now, today we will start with the T5W series phones. Okay, here is a total view of the new T5W series phones. They are separated to three tiles. The first tile is the premium business phone T53, T53W, T54W, and T57. And the highest level is the flagship Yealink new video phone for VP59. And with the new T5W series phones, a lot of people or customers may curious about what is the relationship between the new T5 and the old T4S series phones, because from the overview of the phone, it seems very similar. So here we want to point to all of our customers that the current T4S series market strategy always keeps the same, and the new T5W series phones are an upgrade for the T4S series phones. And new T5W series phones have some unique features that T4S phones doesn't have, and it is usually more suitable for customers who like the T4S series phones but would like to accept more execute functions and you better user experience for the new T5 for the phones. Then for this kind of customers, we would like them to use the T5W series phones. So as I mentioned, acoustic features. So what are they? First is it is about the adjustable LCD screen, and second one is about built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The third one is about the call and cordless phone feature, and the last one is about the acoustic shield feature. These are all the features that all of the new T5W series phones can support, and we will introduce one by one. So for for the LCD screen, as you know, for now, people are more likely to work in a health office environment. Sometimes they will even stand in front of the desk, but not always sit. And even they are sit, they will always show. They will always change their trail side height in order to get a view, better view of the LCD of the screen. And at the same time, sometimes the room light and the sunlight may be reflected on the phone screen. And another feature is the built-in Bluetooth, which can support connecting Bluetooth headsets, connecting mobile phones for Bluetooth calls, Skype calls, Skype for business calls, and so on. Also, it can also support syncing contacts with your mobile phone. So so here we also have some user scenario with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. As you can see, scenario one is about upgrade the analog phone to the IP phone in the old buildings, such as the old office building, hotel, church, and school. In these places, deploying the network cables may not only deface the building, but also will bring a large construction cost and affect the normal office order. The second scenario is the phone is put on some particular places like corners, and these places only are supplied with power but no network. For example, a staff is working in a corner in a warehouse, the public telephone deployed on the wall. With and also some example in the old church, if you want to deploy the network cable, it not only waste the time and cost, but also deface the building and may destroy the historic architecture. But if you deploy the Wi-Fi instead, you can realize the modern communications easily without defacing it. And deploying a network cable in the old buildings may also bring a large of construction cost. So this is the second advanced features for Yealink new T5W series phones about built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The third feature is about the code and calls phone feature. For now, our T5 series phones support up to 5 4 handsets, and in the future we will upgrade it to 8 with a DD10K dongle. It will offering an all-in-one tech solution for small offices and home offices. And the call and calls feature usually used in some scenario like this. For example, first, in a retail store or in a warehouse, a group of 9 staffs can share one phone system. One staff who has a fixed working station can use the T5 desk phone, and the other 8 staff who often work alone can use the tech handset. And the T5W series phones brings you the attached DD10K to the desk phone. After that, the desk phone can work with the handset, and it is cheaper than buying a DD10K than to buying a base station because and the deployment the network for this base station. And each desk phone and handsets can be registered with a unique SIP account, or it can also use same SIP account if you like. And the cover range is similar to the TechPhone's W10, W60B. It is 50 meters indoor and 300 meters outside. And with the call and calls feature, we also have one user scenario like the clone mode. That means if you have one handset registered to one desk phone with DD10K, then if there is an incoming call, the phone and the handset will ring at the same time, and you can choose to answer it through the handset or through the desk phone according to your situation. And if you are sitting now, you can answer with the desk phone. And once you want to move around, you can just easily click in the desk phone switch. Then the call will be switched to the handset automatically, and you can pick up the handset and move around. And if you come back and want to see it again, you just need to pick up the handset in the phone side, then the call will be switched back. And the most important thing is that during the whole progress, the call will be not disconnected. So this is the advantage of the T5W series phones, the call and calls mode feature. And the last one advantage feature we mentioned is about the acoustic shield. It is usually used in a noisy office environment. When the user uses the handset or headset, this and he hopes that the far end can focus on his voice, and the phone can shield the background noise and other people's voice. With new T5W series phones, it can support acoustic shield feature, which means that the phone can only pick up the caller's voice and the other sound will be shielded. So if you enable it in the T5W series phones, then it will shield the background noise. And at the same time, it also supports RJ9 headset, USB headset, Bluetooth headset, and DAC headset, while Polycom phone can only support RJ9 headset. And it has a strong noise filtering capability, which the effect of lowest level noise filtering is better than the effect of highest level noise filtering of Polycom phones. Okay, so all the above is the new T5W series phones enhancement features that we mentioned. And not only these features that all T5W series phone can support, we have other good advantage features that different models can support. First is about the EXP50. EXP50 is a very powerful sidecar for our new T5W series phones. It can switch colors differently when according to which kind of task form it connects to. For example, if it is connected to the T53W forms, which is black and white, then the sidecar will become black and white. But when it connecting to the T54W, which is color screen, then the sidecar will turn to color screen mode automatically. For the T57W, it uses a competitive adjustable touch screen compared with the resistive touch screen of the T48S. This is a very competitive product. This is an upgrade for T58 and a replacement for the T56. And the Wi-Fi module of T58 is also upgraded. Now T58 can support 5G Wi-Fi and 2.4G Wi-Fi at the same time. And in the picture, you can see that our old friend T58 is on the left, while on the right is our new friend VP59. And you must have noticed that both of them own a large screen and support HD video call. And they are the Android-based phones so that you can read your emails very easily on the phone directly. So this is all the new T5W series phones with Yealink, which is released. And about the capability with free switch, our phones can have good compatible with Yealink phone models with free switch. We have different product line T53, T53W, T53 4W, T56 T56 and T4 series phones, and the entry-level T2 series phones and conference phones and tech solutions. We have a very good and deep compatibility with the free switch platform and with different product line to meet the different requirement of different customers. Okay, so that's all for the show of the new T5W series phones. Thank you.
Thank you, Michael. So, is there any one piece of advice you could impact on the audience? What will it be?
Okay, So finally, I just want to say, as the top one manufacturer in the SIP phone side, Yealink is always a good choice for all of our customers. Thank you.
Thank you, Michael, and thank you for your listening.
Thanks for watching ClueCon Weekly. Don't forget to give this video a like and a subscribe, and while you're at it, make sure to go and follow all of our other social media channels. We'll see you right here next week, same time, same place, and catch you at ClueCon.